How to sign up for RBC Royal Bank online banking account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about RBC Royal Bank online banking account creation. So first of all, head over to any of your preferred browser and type in rbcroyalbank.com. Tap on the very first link which is provided by RBC Royal Bank. After that, you can check on the homepage of your Royal Bank. Make sure you are on your correct region and the correct website. You'll have to now type in the sign in button which is on the top right corner. Once you click on it, you should be landed to another page whereby you can log in if you already have an account. However, if you do not already have an account, there is an option to enroll into the online banking. Select on that option, which should take you to another page. Now you'll have to fill in some of the details, such as who do you want to enroll today for, and then start up with the application process. The first application process is telling us who you are, which includes the client card number or credit card number. If you do not have so, it will ask for transit number, account number, and your personal details. Additionally, you'll have to give in your financial documents and such other address and requirements. Once you have given all the details, you should be logged in after the verification. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.